Hello, everyone. So this is just a quick overview about Google Apps and Google Docs and Google Sheets. So when you're on your inbox or you're on your Gmail, on your email, all you have to do is to click the 9 dots here beside the Google sign on the upper right corner of your screen, and you will see the sign Google Apps. And when you click that, you will see there Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Docs, Sheets. So if you would go ahead and click Drive, there you go, you'll be able to see your Google Drive. So you will see there the files that has been shared with you, your drive, which is my drive, and then recent, start, and trash. So when you click um, my drive, you would be able to see all of the files that you have created, whether it's a Google Doc, it's a Google document, or a Google Sheet. So let's try to create a Google Doc. So you can just simply click this one, click New, and then you will see there an option to create Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So let's go ahead and create Google Docs. There you go. So let's say you have a team meeting or um, a task, for example, task for today. And once you have documented and once you have typed in all of the information that you have created on that Google document, let's type in your, for example, top priorities for today. Let's just move this one. There you go. Top 10 priorities. Okay, there you go. Let's just move this one. For example, this one, and I'll just copy this one and paste it, and then paste and link. There you go. So let's say this is a document. You can share this Google Docs to anyone in your team or have a link. So you can just click share this one, and it will be shared as a link, or you can type in the team member, for example, support at andrenorman.com, and then they will receive a notification once you have shared it with the team. Now, if you want to just download this as a PDF or a Word document, you can just click File and then Download, and then click PDF or Microsoft Word, which is .docs. Now for Google Sheets, you can just go back to Drive. So go back to your inbox and then click the 9 dots there. Or the shortcut is you can click this one. So once you have clicked this one, which is Google Apps, click this one, Sheets, and you will be able to see um, the option, which is blank, invoice, weekly timesheet, expense report, and so on. So you can just click blank sheet. So it's similar to Microsoft Excel. It has all the formats, the formulas that we're using on Microsoft Excel. So you can just rename your sheet. So once you have created a sheet like similar to this one, there you go. Rename your sheet. Let's say EOD tracker, Philippines team, PH team. There you go. And if you want to add another sheet, so this is December 26th for Monday, what we have worked on or the things that we've done today. And then if you want to add another column, you can just click, for example, ABC, and then right click, and then insert column to the left or insert column to the right. And then if you want to add another sheet, you just have to click this one, which is add sheet on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then click this one, add sheet. And then you would see there another sheet has been added. Right click and then rename the sheet, And then let's say this is the top 10 priorities, or let me just put here task or to-do list. You can just rename the sheet, and there you go. Now, if you want to share this or share the link to anyone in your team, you just have to click this one, share, and then there will be an option there, copy link. So when you click this one, copy link, the link is copied to your clipboard, and you can now paste it, let's say on WhatsApp, this one, and then Control V, and there you go. All the people on your team will be able to see the link and be able to access that either from their phone or from their desktop. So that's it for now about Google Sheets and Google Docs. And if you want to share this via email, you can just click this one, share, and the person that you'll be sharing it will be notified. So if I want to share this with Brianna, I'll just type in her email address, briannadavis@andrewnorman.com, and she'll be notified. You can also type in a message, let's say, hey Brianna, this is our ERI and of the day tracker. There you go. End of the day tracker, and then click send. And then Brianna will receive an email notifying her that she can view this sheet, this document that we have shared with her. So that's it for now. And we will create more videos like this.